sit back, relax, get comfy, and enjoy the time lapse. All right, guys, so I got all 5 cam bearings out, and I understand why they said don't look at the cam bearings anymore. Want to do the cam swap. But on camshaft bearing 4 and 3, I don't know if you can tell about that, but they were showing copper, but they're already going out. And this car doesn't even have that much miles, but I am the 3rd owner, so whoever the fuck was the 1st and 2nd owner, fuck you. But it's copper showing. The car only has 40-ish, I think 144, 145,000 miles on it. actually that many miles. If you look on an LS, they can live forever if you take care of them forever. Little copper there, you can tell by the sun. Yeah, never mind, there's a lot of copper right there. You can see that shit. This is bearing number 2. That was 5, 4, and no. Yeah, that's 4. Yeah, 4. Yeah, 5, 4, 3. This is number 2. I got them right over there. I'm fucking miscounting. Number 2 wasn't that bad. Where you at, son? Come back, little fucker. Shit. There we go. Not as bad. And then you have the first bearing. You know, it wasn't that bad than the others. If you had to pick one of the 5, this is actually one of the 2 that's actually not that bad. So, that was what, 10 minutes? I don't know why people trip when they, they do this stuff. It doesn't take more than 10 minutes. But this is my first time doing bearings, and it got the tool from Summit right there. And honestly, it's not in the pain in the ass. I would just say buy a really good one. Get the fuck out of my face, leaf. Goddamn trees. I would just say buy a good camshaft removal and your installer tool. I got the one from Summit Racing. Obviously, it's $65, $75, where the fuck it was on sale. It does a trick, it ain't the prettiest, and it does do the fucking work, but that's all I already needed, just for 20-30 minutes of putting it on, and that's it. So now, with this being said, start degreasing it, start cleaning it, start getting all this shit gunk out of it. I kind of want to primer the block today, the way, you get all that nasty shit out of the fucking way, and then chaser it, and that'll be on the agenda. So enough of me yapping and talking, let's get back to it. Alright guys, so I did take some Scotch-Brite to go through. God damn it, wind. Shit. Not tomorrow be a goddamn sunny ass, no wind, just fucking sunny ass shit day tomorrow. But other than that, I did go around the cam bearings with some Scotch pad all through them. They all look shiny, they don't look all crusty. This one does have a few nicks. I'm gonna try to get that out right there. I'm gonna try to get it out. It's still, it's underneath the, god you damn it, fucking leaf. Back to what I was saying. I'm gonna try to get that out with some very fine sandpaper so you smooth it out a little bit. What is done is done. I can't put fucking metal back onto it, and that's underneath the cam bearing, so that was already what's in there. So I already got another coat of degreaser on it. It's gonna do its thing on both sides of the block, front and rear as well. Let it get all like gunked out and everything like that, so I can start getting that ready. And you already see it's already getting that shit already coming off the block. So it's coming along really nice. I'm gonna hit with some brake cleaner and clean all that stuff out and start putting the bearings back in. The way I can kind of put the mount back on and then flip it over and degrease all this shit out of it, clean it, and then WD-40 the bores so they don't rust, and then everything that's aluminum that's exposed, and then and start cleaning and prepping it. Alright guys, so I did clean up the cam bearings. These is the part I went with. You can see that 1 and 5 are the same, 2 and 4 are the same, and number 3 is for the middle one. And I already did clean and get all the grease from shipping and storage off of them. They are way better and way thicker. Did the factory ones. The factory ones are 8 up. I did look at the rear journal number 5. One of the bearings. Let me see if I can find the motherfucker. One of the bearings. Is this one? No, not that one. Where are you at? I just misplaced you. Right here. There we go. So number 5 had a lip on it. You can kind of see from the sun that little lip. And it caused that little gouge. And you can kind of see that even the metal right there is chipping off. Which is pretty fine because it was secured by the sleeve itself. It's supposed to go through the bearing. So this is fine. But I guess underneath where it mates together is where it was. So and that's a boohoo. I did wet sand it with 800 and 1000 grit. It is smoother. It doesn't really catch my finger anymore, or it does catch my finger, but not severely. So I am going to send it, and like an LS, it'll be all right. Brakes, only person I can blame is me. But in this case, that's not gonna happen.